Hi guys, this is Mithil and welcome back to my channel. First of all, what do you think of this new setup? I think I really like it. Apart from the background noise जो AC का है, because oh my god, it is so hot right now and I just got dressed up to go out, but I thought I will try this new background. So मुझे comments में बताओ अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा, then I will definitely carry it forward because ये बहुत classic, very like pretty neutral vibe दे रहा है. But in today's video, I am going to be talking about 5 moisturizers oily skin tested. This is episode 2 of my skincare November series where I talk all about skincare the entire month. If you guys have not checked out the previous video or if you want to see what I created in the previous years, I'm going to leave the entire playlist down in the description for you guys to check out. But if you already have, then let's get started with today's video. Okay, now the main motto of this video is I share my personal experiences of using all these skincare products or whatever it is. Just to get started, I am someone who has normal to oily skin type. I'm normal in the winters, more oilier in the summers. I vary in between, and my moisturizer preferences also vary from daytime to nighttime. In daytime, I almost skip my moisturizers. If not, I use a very lightweight moisturizer, but at night I need my skin to repair, rejuvenate, so I need a thick or nourishing moisturizer. So that is how I'm going to be rating and talking about these skincare products in general. I'm going to rate them as well on a scale of 10, and all the products will be linked in the description for you guys to check out. So let's get started with the first product. Okay, just to make it easier, I have 2 products of a similar range or variety. The first one that I have is the Nykaa Skin RX. This is the Hydra X Hyaluronic Acid Night Moisturizer, which is for oily skin. Now ये मैंने बहुत ही impulsively buy किया था because Nykaa पे ये literally 50% off पे था. So the MRP is 449. I think मैं उसको 200 या something में मुझे मिला था. And the way it said that it's a night moisturizer, I actually thought it's going to be like a thick nourishing moisturizer, but this turned out to be a gel based moisturizer. Regardless, I really enjoyed it because ये बहुत lightweight है. The packaging is cute. It comes with this pump packaging, and I'll just show you guys the consistency of this moisturizer. You can see it's very liquidy and gel based, and एक बार अप्लाई करोगे बहुत easily स्किन में मॉइस्चर absorb हो जाता है इसका. It hydrates the skin to a very fair level, I would say. इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है. So this is something that you can definitely use in your daytime wear, but when I got this one, I really enjoyed it कि daytime में, and एक lightweight moisturizer है, summer के लिए एकदम perfect है. Now what I did like is when it said it's a night moisturizer, irrespective of your oily skin, this is not good for your night time because रात को you need something which is more repairing. So रात के लिए तो ये definitely नहीं है. So it's claiming to be a night moisturizer, definitely not something, but otherwise it's a very decent product, not something that I would really go back to. But जब मैंने ये use किया, I was like, oh, I really like it and I want to try this Nykaa Skin RX का range out. So yeah, that was about it. I think ओवरऑल इट्स अ प्रिटी डिसेंट मॉइस्चराइजर. ये सिर्फ ऑयली स्किन के लिए काम आएगा. नॉर्मल स्किन, ड्राई स्किन ये बिल्कुल भी उतना हाइड्रेटिंग नहीं है. एंड I mean, if you just have to layer it up or use it in your morning just for a little light hydration, you might as well just buy something that actually does its job. So this, I think I would rate it a 6 out of 10. The fact that I was so impressed with that moisturizer, I ended up buying another one from the same range, which is the Nykaa's Deep Nourishing Ceramide Complex Moisturizer. Again, this one was a night moisturizer made for normal to dry skin. And I was like कि ठीक है, अब जब वो oily skin के लिए gel based था, maybe this one will be more nourishing. It has ceramides and all of that. It is literally the same product in different packaging. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Look at that. ये थोड़ा सा tinted है, but ये literally same gel moisturizer है. इसको मैं blend करूँगी and it's gone. Like you can see that ये it takes a while to absorb like as compared to that one, but it literally goes away. Same gel consistency, not at all hydrating. I तो feel कि ये तो उससे भी ज़्यादा ही ख़राब है. इससे तो मैं इतनी disappointed थी. Not something that I would recommend to anyone, and I feel in general the Nykaa Skin RX range, it's a little gimmicky here and there, you know. So yeah, that is about that, and I think I would rate this one a 4 out of 10. Definitely not something that I would recommend for anyone. अनदर वन इन माई डिसअपॉइंटमेंट लिस्ट. आई थिंक ये वीडियो में फेवरेट से ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स है, बट आई मीन दैट इज़ वॉट इट इज़. आई कीप ऑन ट्राइंग आउट समर हिट समर मिसेस. दिस वन इज़ by Foxtail. So this is the Essentials by Foxtail Daily Glow Moisturizer, which contains niacinamide and cocoa butter, made for all skin types. Now the Foxtail, I really love it as a brand because they are very innovative, very creative, and they are hyped up all over. And they have come up with this Essentials range, which is basically for teenagers and college going people, something which is more under a very affordable category. So ये भी I think काफ़ी affordable था. I would say like probably 200-300 के अंडर था. बट ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज सच अ बैड मॉइस्चराइजर. लाइक इनमें से अगर कोई भी खराब है ना भाई, मैं इसको भी बोल दूँ ये अच्छा है. ये इतना बकवास मॉइस्चराइजर है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द स्मेल ऑफ द मॉइस्चराइजर इज सो बैड. लाइक आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट. इसका कंसिस्टेंसी समथिंग विच इज डेफिनेटली thicker, but the smell is just so weird. And like you blend it, it's decently hydrating. मतलब ये चल जाता है, मॉर्निंग में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, नाइट टाइम में भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट ओवरऑल मुझे इसका एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. फ्रेग्रेंस इतना अच्छा नहीं है. जस्ट अप्लाइंग इट ऑन माई स्किन, इट जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक okay product. Like I didn't feel like I would ever want to reach out to this. Like if I'm comparing it to this, ये तो मैं use कर लूँगी कभी भी, मे बी underneath makeup or something, but ये I really did not like it. And इसमें actually अभी भी थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट बचा हुआ है, बट आई एम जस्ट गोना डिस्कार्ड इट बिकॉज मुझे बिल्कुल भी मजा नहीं है. एंड अगेन सी, इट जस्ट वेंट इनटू द स्किन. सो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि इट्स वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग. इट लुक्स लाइक इट्स थिक एंड नरिशिंग, बट दैट फ्रेग्रेंस इज just, I don't know, it's just a weird, like sweet, powdery, some weird fragrance. So this is definitely something that I'm never repurchasing, and I personally don't recommend it to you guys. There are much better moisturizers, and two of them I'm literally going to talk about next that you guys should check out. So this I'm going to rate it a 5 out of 10. Now if there is one moisturizer that you should absolutely get your hands on, one of the best moisturizers I've ever tried is the Venusia Acne Control Moisturizer. This is by Dr. Reddy's. This was recommended to me by my dermat, and जब पहले मैंने इसको use किया, I was like, it's an okay product because this is a little bit on the expensive side. ये 525 rupees का retail करता है, and this is something that you don't really get much of online. ये pharmacy based प्रोडक्ट है. बट ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज माई सेकेंड ट्यूब. मैंने इसको कट करके इतना यूज़ किया था, and I got my hands on the second tube because this works beautifully. It's a perfect daytime moisturizer. It's a perfect nighttime moisturizer. It's perfect under makeup when you need that proper hydration. It will work on all skin types, on all seasons. Only thing I don't like is the squeezy tube packaging because ये ना थोड़ा liquidy है, so ये बाहर आ जाता है. Like I don't know if you guys can make out. So let me just take a little bit of that. मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and मुझे ये वेस्ट करना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. इसका fragrance is also like pretty decent, and this is what it looks like. And once you blend it out, it gives such a beautiful like hydrated and nourishing look. ये एकदम lightweight है, तो एकदम heavy भी नहीं है, but ये इतने अच्छे से nourish करता है. It moisturizes and repairs your skin so well. It is dermat recommended and I have used it on my oily and acne prone skin. बिल्कुल भी acne trigger नहीं करता है. In fact, it really helps calm your skin down. It is long lasting moisturizer, it has sebum control, and it says it has 24 hours protection. But if there's one moisturizer that I've tried and fallen in love with and would again and again and again repurchase and recommend to people, it is definitely this. This is a 10 on 10 product for me currently. I'm obsessed with it, and you guys should definitely check it out, especially my oily and acne prone skin girlies जिनको you know दूसरे सारे products से trigger होता है acne or something is not suiting you. Please give this one a try. And actually in general Dr. Reddy's के जो भी product आ रहे हैं skin care के, they are very good. I have heard about it, so definitely give it a try. And the last product, again this is a little bit from the bougie category. I have the Laneige water sleeping mask. Now ये ना trial size में है. I already had one which I emptied, and ये दूसरा वाला है. And I just wanted to see like, oh my god, let's see what the hype is all about because people absolutely love this product even though इतनी छोटी सी डब्बी कुछ बहुत ही महंगी आती है. But oh my god, it is so good. Now this again is something, it says it's a water sleeping mask. Like water literally means it's not meant for normal to dry skin. It's just for my oily skin girlies or or if you just need like a brush up of hydration or moisturizer. So this is something which is a very fluidy liquidy consistency, and I personally feel कि Nykaa का Hydra X और ये वाला काफी सिमिलर है. Now the only difference is this is more like watery and liquidy, ये थोड़ा gel based है, but when you apply them on the skin, I just feel they do a really good job at giving you a nice layer of moisturizer. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा sink in करता है. It takes like a while also, to get absorbed, a little bit more glowy, but overall I just feel both of these products perform same. I enjoyed this product honestly. ये morning moisturizer, या when you're unwinding from your day, removing your makeup, and you just want it to be like a clean girl, like simple skincare routine, then you definitely can try this out. And I think the best place that you can actually try this out is while you are traveling. Traveling के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. It gives a very nice hydration and all, and ज़्यादा तुमको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So if I get the chance, I think I probably would purchase the tub just for it, because ये काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. मुझे इसमें कुछ बुरा एज सच नहीं लगा. It literally does what it claims. It's like a water bank. It's a sleeping mask. So तुम इसका thick layer भी लगा सकते हो if you want more hydration. But yeah, it was a pretty good product, and my skin also felt very, very good after using this. So this is something that I would rate 8 out of 10. And yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next episode. Bye.